What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat. Got another video for y'all today. Today we're gonna be working with Gifted and Qualified, known as GQ, Lifeisgque on YouTube. He's still in Dallas, man. He has not left. We've done his wheels, we've done, not his wheel, my bad, we've done his lights, we've done his underglow, we've done a couple things, but man, to be honest with you, we've enjoyed having him around here in Dallas, man. He's a great guy. I really wish he moved out to this area, because in reality, if he moved out here, we'll be able to bring a different kind of culture, man. He's unique, he's real, he's sincere, and he's a good guy. So we're gonna miss him when he leaves, but we've been able to do all these projects to his car. But we actually got something else we're doing today, man. We're doing a 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, which is his car. Y'all probably do know it, but this car, we're gonna be doing a remote start today and getting this bad boy situated and ready to go with the full remote start system. So we're adding that to this bad boy to get this done on this car. The only thing is, I know there could be an obstacle. Like a 2019, there is no solution from DEI. That means that Viper does not make a solution for this car to be able to have a remote start or even convenience feature, which is your lock and lock. But I know we're gonna get it done, man. We've been doing it for 20-something years and never met an obstacle that I couldn't cross, and this is gonna be another one today. So we're here at the shop right now. Real just got here. We got the car inside the bay. I'm gonna start ripping it apart and getting it situated to get it going, because there is no solutions for it, but I know we're gonna figure out a way around it. So I'm gonna start dismounting the car, getting the car situated, getting it together to be able to get the car ready to go and get this full Viper installed. Yo, GQ, come here. So let's interview you before we. Hold on.
Keep this on auto at all times. Never let it mess up and turn.
You see, real telling about it. Before we start doing this install in this car, I know you brought it out here. You're out here from Dallas. But my question is, why did you choose us to do this alarm, man? I mean, you know, out of everybody you could have gone, why did you choose us?
Okay, so why I came to AUDIOZONE, right? Because, you know, a good friend of mine, Really Real.
Really Real. No, we leave everything in. We don't cut nothing out. This a full 10 minutes. Come on back, rewind, retract.
Honestly, okay, so when I came to your shop and you did my underglow and you knocked that out and you really did a good job, and then I had some problems with it and you still were susceptible to helping me again after
even though it wasn't my fault.
Yeah, it wasn't even my fault. I mean, it wasn't even your fault.
Yeah.
It was
Fix that.
Right? And you took care of that, man, and it was just, you know, we always had a positive energy. You know, ever since the night that I came here, we just kind of met and put it together. You was in here working hard, and I just seen the difference between, you know, your grind. Like, you was out here really working hard, and you know, I had to come back and spend some more money with you. Plus, I knew. All
right, now bring out the blackness back in you. I know we trying to respect the channel. You hear him trying to switch it up? Wasn't even sounding right. But it said, yeah, he working hard trying to get that out. Yeah, without cursing.
But you know what, the thing is, we do appreciate you the chance to go to do it. So I'm gonna start working on the guy. We're gonna be doing the Viper 2-way installed, along with the DB3 to get everything situated, and we're gonna see how everything goes out. Like I said, we already know it can be difficult, but we're gonna go and get into it, because there's nothing impossible that we can't do. So we're gonna go ripping and riding. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Already, yeah.
First one only.
First one only. First in the world.
If we get it done.
If he get it done, it's gonna be the first one. 2019. 2019.
Now, you can go ask your shops around. Ain't no 2019 challenge like a today's date. You cannot do it. But I'm gonna tell you one thing. I know we're gonna figure it out, because you know what? We didn't get these brains for no reason. We put them to work. We're gonna get it to work. So let's see what happens.
Exactly. And you know what I'm saying? I'm 19 too. I might have to get me a Viper someday, because I can't be riding around and people try to bust my windows like they did him. You know what I'm saying? You know, but if you take mine, just make sure you don't come back with it. I'm gonna come after you if you bring it back. Now keep it now. Yeah, I'm serious now. You gotta keep it. You gotta keep it.
I want mine back.
Hey, you can get yours back.
Let me get mine back. I'm still gonna file that claim.
Hey, file that claim and get yours back, and hey, you gonna have to pay that that whatever out the pocket.
Yeah.
What the deductible. I ain't paying nothing. It's coming out that check at the end. Yeah.
But we're gonna get rolling, guys. So let me go see what we can do on this.
All right.
But I'm working on it right now to get it figured out and see how it goes through. I'm getting all the components took it apart to get everything situated and get it ready to go. I kind of follow some of the instructions that it has, but there's some wires that do not match up, and again, it does not exist. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do and try to figure it out. I got the car apart, start getting everything situated to go ahead and find a signal, because hopefully we're gonna get victory and get this car remote started.
You see what's going on, man. We getting it done, man. Doing it.
Moving and grooving, moving and grooving.
You know we moving and grooving, man. Getting it done, man, over here in Irving Tx.
It's not that we're knocking on okay, we're race car drivers. That's not the problem is.
Right.
The problem is that when you're not a race car driver and you talk shit,
right,
and then you get spanked, you make everybody else look bad. So you can't, if you can't run your car,
right,
don't open your mouth. So you know what?
Right.
Let's go run for fun.
Yeah.
Don't be saying I got you.
I got you.
Scat package.
You can't do like that.
Because
you can't talk like that.
Reveal that this. I want. Come here. Come out.
Let's see.
Let's go to this. This right here. Look. SRT Hellcat supercharged Hemi intake. You guys know the car. This right here got beat by this.
Oh wow.
Oh man.
Not the scat pack.
Do you need to pop that hood?
Yeah.
Pop it.
Show everybody.
Hey, this car did not beat me, but nothing off, but except for off the line.
We got
we got
You
video.
only got me off the line.
Bro, I beat you way more than a quarter too. I just said eighth of mile.
It's just powered by SRT, no supercharger.
No nothing.
Come on, man.
No
This
nothing.
is why he comes up with that saying, hey man,
Look,
say
he
man.
changed.
Hey man, say man.
You got one
Change
too.
that thing up.
That don't bring you no horsepower. This all for looks.
This nigga got knives.
This for goddamn content.
Nah,
nigga got
This is for
knives.
content.
Nah,
This
show
don't
me
bring
the
you
knives.
no horsepower unless you got a tune.
You got the knives in there.
Nah,
though.
I ain't got no damn knobs. That's my knobs.
My question could be this. I know you ain't got no experience street racing.
Right.
How the hell you know this car got knobs?
Hey man.
No.
On his YouTube channel.
Okay. Yeah.
20 minutes, built a whole new.
But yeah, let me show you what's going on over here.
We don't want to hear that, man.
So I got the car situated. I'm gonna go ahead and run some wires to the hood now to get the data signal going, and I'm about to have a test on it to see if it actually does, which I know I'm believing it does. I'm doing something that hasn't been done. Like I said, it hasn't been done, but I like to do that. You know what I'm saying? I like to do so. I'm gonna get this going. I'm gonna run some wires to the hood to get some signal I need to have that don't exist to make sure I can get the car to do what it needs to do, and we'll continue this very shortly.
So I got going on here.
I'm getting the siren on right now. So you can have the siren go off when the alarm gets done. So I got that installed here. But you know what? I got an idea. He's outside. You got your vape on you?
Yeah.
Do me a favor. I want you to come over there to that side, and I want you to blow a whole bunch. When I tell you blow a whole bunch of it, because he's distracted, and I'm gonna yell like, oh, like he can make him think of his car on fire. See if we can get him pranked out. Let's see what happens here.
Let's see what's going on. You know my guy, he the prank king with this smoke. I'm go. Yeah, go over there. And then I don't want him to notice that I'm filming or whatever. Y'all know how we do, man. Man, you know we the prank kings around here. You know what I'm saying? Let him know and he blowing it in now.
You ready, Rio? I should put him in the back seat. Oh, he got that. One more. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey, the car on fire.
Where's the extinguisher?
The car on fire, bro.
Where's the extinguisher? Hold on.
Hey, bro, your dash on fire, bro. The dash on fire. That just smoking from somewhere.
What the fuck y'all did to my shit, man?
Bro.
Man, you got my shit smoking.
Man, where's it coming from? I got the extinguisher here.
Man, you better figure it out, man. The fuck?
I don't know. It's coming from the dash.
Man, where? Man, you
I didn't connect no power yet. Look, the power's over here, so I don't know what happened.
Man.
Bro, where it's coming from though?
Is it this side?
Where it's coming from though?
I don't understand where the wires don't look burnt.
Did it stop? Did it stop?
Your cat in here fucking my
Oh,
shit
but I
up,
didn't turn on
man.
the ignition or nothing.
No, bro, he ain't touched it. It just started smoking.
It started smoking everywhere.
Is you grounded?
Yeah, I got the ground right here. Everything's good. I don't see nothing that's burnt. No wires are burnt.
Man, AUDIOZONE, you better not fuck my car up, dog. This shit brand. Hey, man. You better not break my shit, man.
Hey man, I'm probably gonna cut this out.
Huh?
What?
I'm probably gonna cut it out. I don't want them to think
No, I
that.
don't want them to think that we do work like that, man, because that's not cool. I don't know what it is, but we have to find out what it is. But I can tell you is that nothing happened. We just wanted to prank you.
Goddamn, and why he got a cigarette around the fire? God damn it. He ran to the fire with fire. God damn, man. Yeah, You know what I'm saying?
Yo, it would have been funny. He would have said, damn, man, I didn't pay my insurance today.
What you talking about? I ain't get the insurance. I drove out the lot and forgot.
Motherfucker D just text me today.
Actually, you know what? The real thing is I brought you here because I'm mounting the siren up, but I got everything done. I want to do a test to see if we can get this to work. Let's have the finger crossed and let's see what happens. Let's do close all the doors.
See if it works.
Hopefully it does. We're about to find out. I gotta close all the areas that we have installed so there's nothing's open on the car.
Yeah, close this hood, cause I mean you ain't gotta show the supercharger no more. Yeah, we big American muscle, man. Big American muscle made.
Get the stuff
Big America.
Get the thing out the back. I got just some testing machine. We have the convenience, but there's two parts that go to a car for remote start in these cars. Convenience is all your door locks, pop trunk, all that kind of stuff. And then you have the remote start. So first let's set the lock and unlock. So we have unlock. We got lock. We got good on that. We got pop trunk.
Oh, here, do that again.
Oh, they're working out the remote, so do his factory one still work?
His factory one still work, but I'm testing it here, so I'm making
Okay.
sure the convenience works first. Because the brake, like I said, it's broken into two parts. You got convenience side, you have the remote start side, so there's two parts to the security system. So first I have to do is test the parking light flashing and the convenience stuff like that. I already tested your pop trunk, so we got it here. You got your pop trunk working. We got my door locks working. There's arming. When it arms, there's actually arming both alarms. The factory, if you see this light blinking in there,
Okay.
whenever it activates, it's activating both alarms, the factory and the aftermarket together.
Okay.
And then when you disarm them, it'll disarm both units together. But now comes the moment of truth. Let's see if we can get the remote start to work. And if we do, we have history. I locked it. I got the two-way key fob over here. Let's hit remote start and see what happens. Ignition's on. We got victory there.
But is it gonna crank?
Didn't crank, so we gotta find out.
crank.
Okay, now
So
we gotta figure out what's
Now
that.
we gotta figure out what it is. So we're gonna continue from there and go on going. But we're gonna get it, guys. We're not leaving here today until we have this remote start. So let me go try one more thing that it could be and see if I got that situated.
One eternity later.
Let's get that on camera. You done went and got jazzied up? Oh, so you got that big hot date tonight. Oh, okay. Jeff.
And it's the only day she'll ever have, because if not, we got guns.
We got guns and shit.
And then bounce the hell no.
Oh.
Techie boy, I'm trying to figure out what the problem is, but teched around. And I'm gonna get it. Now I'm gonna go for hit number 2, see if we get it done. Make sure everything's still working. Locks are working. And then we got the trunk working. Good. So we still got the convenience. We have unlock working. Good. Now let's try the remote start to see if we got it to do. Guys, if we get this to work, first 2019.
The first ever.
First
In the world.
in the world. Doesn't exist.
In the world.
Come on, baby.
Whoa! First in the world, baby! First in the world!
Let me show y'all.
Yeah! We're gonna show y'all that he the first in the world. Never been done.
Let me show you guys why, guys. So, let you shut down the car.
Now set this down. It runs. There we go.
We're gonna do some more testing, but I'm gonna show y'all what's going on here. So you come here to text to here. You go for 2019, as y'all can see, 2019 Dodge Challenger Smart Key. There is no solutions. There is no solution for this car to have a bypass. It does not exist. You come to a 2018, and I'll show you guys, because you guys know that there's a difference in all this stuff. And there is a solution. So I want to show you guys. When you come to solutions here, you'll see that it tells you that the 6 solutions found for the 2018, but not for the 2019. So I can't tell you guys what I did, but I did something to make it work.
But or you can just come up here and get us to
That's
install
what
it
I'm
for
saying.
you.
Look, if you need it done, we're gonna get it done. But there is no solution. But guys, we've been able to accomplish. Because GQ, you are the first 2019 Challenger on the market right now with a full Riper remote start system that has an aftermarket remote start system that's actually working perfect.
Viper, that mean that thing gonna reach out and bite you.
I'm gonna turn it on again, make sure everything working. Make sure there's no fires.
Venom.
No fires on this one. We got victory, guys. GQ, you're the first. What you got to say?
Well, I got to say, first and foremost, thank God. Second, thank real. Thirdly, hey, AUDIOZONE, you've been amazing.
We appreciate it, man.
We thank you, man.
We thank you.
Just for come giving us your
I'm
time,
gonna
you
tell
know.
very simple. I'm telling him he coming back to Dallas because I don't know what he got or where he at, but he gonna have to move the wifey out here, whatever he gotta do to get over here, because this is gonna be the place in which he's gonna wanna be. So G, we actually got your car done.
Yeah,
We wanna thank you, man, give you a hug.
Oh.
And wanna tell y'all, man, you know, thank y'all for watching this video. We appreciate it, man. Please subscribe to my channels, _AudioCat. On Audio Space Cat, you got GQ, which is Life is GQ. If you don't know, it's LIFEISG and then the word Q, QUE.
Yeah.
Subscribe to the channel. Of course, you got to subscribe to my boy Real to Real, man. If it wouldn't really be for real, let me show y'all real over here.
Yeah.
If it wouldn't be for real, in reality, we wouldn't have this channel even going right now, man.
Yeah.
You don't understand. He's been telling me to get a channel
Look,
forever
man.
because of him.
Yeah.
I actually got motivated and I got the channel. But we want to thank y'all for watching, man. God bless you. Have a great day. First challenge of 2019 done ever. Now.